In this tutorial, I'll introduce you to the Lead Discovery ChemCharts chemistry visualization. Here we have an imported set of molecules from an SD file, and we are viewing the resultant data table in a ChemCharts table visualization. To add the ChemCharts chemistry visualization, click the Visualization Types button and add the Lead Discovery ChemCharts visualization to the page. Then select the chemistry chart from the landing page. The chemistry visualization is organized into two tabs. The first is the Structure Search tab that allows users to add, edit and delete structure searches. The second is the Calculations tab that allows users to perform property calculations, R-group decomposition, scaffold extraction and free Wilson analysis. To add a substructure search, click the Add Structure Search button. Here you can either draw the query structure in the sketcher or you can enter a SMILES or SMARTS pattern. Next, you can choose the type of structure search to perform. We're going to choose substructure. You must choose which of the columns in the data table contains the molecules that you want to perform the search against. In this case, there is only one column that contains molecules, so we'll pick that one. Each structure search adds a calculated column to the data table. Typically, in the case of the substructure and exact match searches, the added column will contain Boolean values indicating the presence or absence of the query. Similarity searches will result in a numeric column containing the similarity of each molecule to the query. Users can define the name of this calculated column using the output column text field. Clicking OK will start the substructure search, and the chemistry visual will display pop-up notifications indicating progress. When the search is complete, a new structure search item will be added to the list in the Structure Search tab of the chemistry visual, and the calculated column will be added to the data table. Each structure search item contains the details of the search as well as controls that allow you to filter based on the results of the structure search. If I uncheck the Exclude checkbox, the data is filtered to only display rows that contain the query substructure. Note that it is possible to align and/or highlight structures that match the query substructure. You can edit the structure search by clicking the Edit button at the top of the structure search item. This opens the search dialog where you can make the desired changes to the structure search. You can delete the structure search by clicking the Delete button. Deleting the structure search will also remove its associated calculated column. By adding more structure searches to the document, you can build up a set of structural filters. Here we have two substructure searches as well as a similarity search. I can easily set up the filters such that the resulting set of molecules must contain both substructures and have a similarity of 0.4 to the molecule in the last item. All of the structure search items are saved as part of the Spotfire document, so if you reopen the document, all of the structure searches will be present. If new rows are added or the molecules in the data table are modified, the structure searches will be rerun to reflect those changes. Thanks for watching. Take a look at the other videos about the chemistry visualization, including an advanced look at structure searches as well as tutorials for the property calculations and R-group decomposition.